much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like it, leave a comment if you want to. If not, keep watching though. This is the dining area. You know me, put me on the edge over here. I got to do our safety thing. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, so this is the arcade. Show my kids so they can come next time. They got the favorite game that me and my kids love. Wish me some luck. You're chilling in the rain.
It'll be fun, okay? Now, of course, we do love our
Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Take me to the food. So we have the most inexpensive room, but we're gonna check it out here. Let's go. Come on, sir. My battery's dying, please. You in the right room?
Oh, how y'all doing?
Go out. All right.
I need to come out so you can do your video.
This is cool. No, it's fine.
Large speakers and radios.
Yeah. Cool. I like it. All right, guys. So, shower. I'm using my own towel. But this is it. Does have a little smell, a little sea smell, but I was about.
Baby, you give me midnight.
Here's it hurts. Here's it hurts. All right, so I have sanitized the room.
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
Bahama Mama.
Give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire.
I got you.
Wish you a happy birthday. On the count of 10. 1, 2, and set. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Toya. Happy birthday to you. Expensive.
Thank you.
You gonna blow that?
Oh, my bad. I forgot to blow it out.
Baby, you give me ice and fire.
So y'all know I only do mini vlogs, so just stay tuned for the next one. Coming right up.
Butterfly.